What if I told you the IRS actually wants to pay you back for being a homeowner? Tax benefits probably aren't the main reason you bought your home, but over time, they add up, and they add up in a big way. For example, if you have a $600,000 mortgage, it's not uncommon to have anywhere from $12,000 to $20,000 in deductible expenses between interest, taxes, and insurance. There are 11 potential tax breaks that could put thousands back in your pocket. Keep in mind that rules do change from year to year, and this isn't tax advice, so always check with a licensed CPA before filing. But if you aren't looking into these deductions, you're basically leaving a thank you tip for the government that they didn't even ask for. So let's dive into these 11 homeownership tax breaks you need to know before you file. But before we list the breaks, you need to know the how behind the tax breaks. Basically, you have two paths. You can take the standard deduction, which for 2026 is $16,100 for singles and $32,200 for married couples. These amounts do change yearly. Or you can itemize. Here's the secret. If the 11 things I'm about to list add up to more than the standard number, you itemize and you save big. Number one is mortgage interest deduction. This is the heavyweight champion. You can currently deduct the interest on up to $750,000 of mortgage debt, especially in the first 10 years of your loan when most of the payment is just interest. This is a gold mine. Number two is the HELOC and home equity interest. Did you use a home equity loan to fix the kitchen or add a bathroom? That interest is deductible too. Just be careful, because if you use that money to pay off credit cards or buy a boat, the IRS says hard no. It has to be used to improve the home. Number three is the SALT deduction. This stands for state and local taxes. This includes your property taxes. If you live in a high tax state, this change is a massive one. Number four is mortgage insurance premiums, or PMI. If you put less than 20% down, you're likely paying PMI, which is tax deductible in 2026. Number five is capital gains exclusion. This is the holy grail. If you sell your home, you can keep up to $250,000 in profit, or $500,000 if married, totally tax-free. You just have to have lived there for 2 of the last 5 years. Number six is the home office deduction. Are you self-employed? If you have a space used exclusively for your business, you can deduct $5 per square foot or a portion of your actual utilities and insurance. But remember, your desk in the corner of the guest room doesn't count. It has to be a dedicated space. Number seven is energy efficient credits. Uncle Sam wants you to go green. You can get a 30% credit for things like new windows, heat pumps, or solar panels. These are credits, not just deductions, meaning they shave money directly off of your tax bill. Number eight is depreciation. If you rent out a room or an ADU, you can depreciate that part of the house over 27 and a half years. It's a non-cash expense that lowers your taxable income. Number nine is medically necessary improvements. Installing a ramp or grab bars for medical reasons. If it doesn't increase the home's value, it might be a deductible medical expense. Number 10 is disaster losses. If you were hit by a federally declared disaster like a wildfire or a flood, and insurance didn't cover everything, you may be able to claim a casualty loss. Number 11 is closing costs and points. Did you buy a home this year? Look at your closing statement. You can often deduct the prorated property taxes you paid at the table and any points you paid to lower your interest rate. Look, owning a home is expensive, but it's also one of the best tax shelters in existence. The bottom line is keep every receipt, track every upgrade, and for heaven's sake, talk to a tax pro to make sure you're maximizing these 11 tax breaks. Don't let the IRS keep your hard-earned equity. For more information on tax breaks for homeowners, visit mortgageresearch.com. Hit the like button if this is something that helped you find a new deduction, and subscribe for more ways to win with your money. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.